First day with Raj Tarun, ये तो बताना पड़ेगा because
Yeah.
you know he was your actor when the
Yeah.
coordinations happen. Actors also ask, okay, who will be the heroine? Heroines also ask who's the hero.
Right.
So how you know about Raj Tarun before, or like when they told you about
So
the
they
hero?
told me about this guy and I googled about him. We all were sitting, the director, they played some YouTube thing about his film Cinema Chupistamawa. We saw a couple of, I was like, this guy is so funny and I entertaining. I saw some comedy scenes of that film and I liked it. Like, he's a good performer.
Good performer,
So
yeah.
then I was like, okay, great. Like,
So first day you met, how was your day with him, and coordinating, he speaking in Telugu or explained you, helped you with something?
No, we didn't spoke only first day much. We were
Okay.
like just working together and we hardly spoke on first 2-3 days, so we didn't even spoke much.
Acha.
After that, we started talking about film, cinema, and he's also a writer. I am also a writer.
Okay.
So we shared a lot about cinema and he's also a book lover. I also like
Wow.
to read. So there are so many things in common and we shared a lot about cinema and these things about the films and that's all interactions we used to have.
But as you know, things always go up and down in the industry. How you take, because gossips is a big thing for the
Yeah.
celebrity to face.
Yeah.
Let's be very practical. It's not like when you're entering into the cinema, we don't know what is right, what is wrong. It's
Right.
your way of living. The
Right.
word you said, perception.
Yeah.
Not to care about it.
Yeah.
So you have been into this industry for a long time, and now in Telugu cinema, like how you take when some gossips comes around you, how it actually you take it as a celebrity.
See, I feel that when something happens around you or with people around you, it is disturbing for a while. But then I feel you should be strong enough to deal with that and think that everything happens for a reason
Yeah.
and take it in a positive way. And I just feel that life won't go so smooth all the time.
Exactly.
So,
and then you're
yeah.
a beautiful actress, you're working hard. I mean, everybody they always look for a gossips,
Yeah.
So in industry, you also, when you were a childhood, you must be seeing the gossip magazines.
Yeah,
Iska affair usse ho gaya, uska affair usse ho gaya.
Right.
So when you heard of all this, आपने भी सोचा था I'm going into this industry.
Right.
So somewhere you never know, people can connect you with the actor or
Right.
So how you prepared yourself?
I never thought that this will happen to me, but yeah, finally, if it is happening, I just don't give my much attention to the gossips. And if it is a healthy criticism, I will definitely accept it. But if it is going in a negative way, I will try to, don't let
Yes.
it come to my head and, try to focus on my work, because right now, I really want to focus on my work, my
Yes.
career, and that is
She is
the
single,
most
let me tell you. You are
Yes,
single,
yes.
not ready to mingle.
No, I'm on to focus on my work, my career, and that's the most important. My cinema is my first love, and it will
Yeah.
always be my first
Maybe it
love.
must be people loving your Raj Tarun and your Jodi is going
Yeah,
rocking.
that is quite
That's
possible.
why people are like, loving it, and the most
Yeah.
of the tsunami masalas are going around about
Yeah,
you.
because see, he's also a good performer. I also give my, so people might love our
And it's your
chemistry in the
first
film.
Telugu movie with the start of a sentiments, respect hoti hai. They become
Right.
your friends.
Yeah.
Like we see Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol.
Yeah,
Like Ajay Devgan के साथ तब्बू जी को लगा दिया जाता है. They
Yeah.
are good friends.
they are good friends.
So
yeah.
I think in industry it always works. Who's your first star, you have a sentiments,
Right, right,
So how you take that friendship, and when it comes to friendship.
I feel that if you are a good friend, if you meet good people in your life, you can be friends with them all your life.
Yes.
And the best thing about our industry is, like, if we meet good people,
Yes.
we can keep them for life.
I know.
And if we meet some filthy people, it's okay. We'll work for them for 30-40 days and then we'll say
we'll-
bye bye.
yeah, yeah.
So it's up to us. Like, if you want to keep them friends or if you want to leave them. So we still have that choice. People from other industry, they don't have that choice.
Yes,
You
yes.
have to, if you like them, if you don't like them, you have to see those
See
same
that.
office colleagues every day.
Yes.
That
no
is
doubt.
true. That is true. Yeah.
So would you like to reveal something that is going to excite more about this movie? And you are no doubt it's your first project.
Yeah.
So how you take it on the level? I mean, this will be in pan India or it's in Telugu only?
They
going
are
to happen?
for OTT. I think they are releasing in all the languages, but it's for Telugu.
How your friends are like, your friends must be from North, like they
Yeah.
are saying, oh, when is your Telugu movies coming? Because now Telugu cinema is on the big level.
it is
Huh.
globally known after RRR winning Oscar. Definitely, it's globally known, and I'm very proud to be a part of Telugu cinema right now. And it's just a starting. I want to do more and more Telugu films in future, and I'm looking forward to work with every Telugu actor in future.
I know. And especially the support system is very important, you know. When these gossips come around, I think the strong part is we need to support each other. In
Yeah.
family also,
Yeah.
when something goes wrong, brother or sister or parents,
Yeah.
or somewhere, father comes, okay, I'll support you, daughter, don't worry. When
Yeah.
something comes on father, daughter say, don't worry, I'm there for you.
Right.
So at that time, when the situation is so like different way every day coming, maybe your co-actor Ashrun in stress, how you want to support him or like say something for him so that he,
See, I really don't understand what is his personal life,
Yeah.
what he's going through. I really don't know. But I just wish that, you know, everything falls into place and everything right should happen to everyone, even if this girl, even if Raj. I just feel that, you know, everyone should live their life in
Yes,
peace. That
yes.
is my advice to everyone. And creating unnecessary issues and ruckus doesn't you know, make any sense to anyone. And rest I don't know, everyone has
but
their own.
during the sets you become friends. He talked to you something about Lavanya or something.
No.
When you are in stress, he shared something about
no,
you.
we
and-
didn't had any conversations about her. And this topic only came when, you know, she called
Promotions.
me and all of that. But then I still don't want to talk about his personal life, because it's his personal life. And if I stay away from it, it's better for me, better for him, and better for her as well. So I'm here to promote my film. I want to promote my film, and that's all. You know, that's all
target.
my target is right now.
So after this Telugu cinema, what makes you busy so much now?
I'm shooting for Tamil as well, and I'm shooting for one Punjabi next month. And there are a few more things coming up in Hindi too. So everything is just
I
going
think after
good.
this Telugu movie got clicked, how you gonna like take this success? And then you are doing Punjabi, then you're doing Hindi, then you're doing Tamil. Then how it's like a mix of, already you're a pan-India now, you're exploring that,
Yeah,
right?
I feel that, you know, language is just, you know, it's just a barrier. But I don't feel it's a barrier too, because if you that emotional language is, it's universal.
Yes,
And
yes.
you can't just, if you get work from all the languages and it's good work, I think you should go for it. And Tamil cinema also, I'm very big fan of Tamil, and I've already worked in Malayalam.
Okay.
Last year my Malayalam film released, and it got me good you know, name in Malayalam as well. And really people liked my de-glamorized role in my Malayalam film.
Okay.